been with you, ask how old is he, and I laugh 26 now, but he's 30. How messed up is that? I'll forget it. He said, I'm a jealous man, and I don't want to talk about that. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, and you got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you play it anyway. You're still betting on me. Hold on, my dear, hold on real tight. It's just a numbers game in my mind, and we've been here 1,000 times, 1,000 times, 1,000. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, and you got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you play it anyway. You're still betting on me, baby. Thank you so much.